Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Happy New Year to you. This is our first video for 2022. And today we are so happy to be sharing with you this delicious, super fast, sweet and sour cauliflower recipe. So let's get started. So to begin, guys, in a small bowl, go ahead and add the cornstarch followed by the cauliflower florets. Go ahead and mix it well to combine. Now the cornstarch will help the cauliflower brown as we fry it. Once you are done in a large skillet, go ahead and add in, or you can use a saucepan for this as well, but go ahead and add in the oil. We're using 1 cup of oil. We're using vegetable oil. You can also use canola oil if you prefer. Add your cauliflower florets and the egg whites. And guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. Once you're done and the oil has heated through, go ahead and add in the cauliflower. Be sure to not overcrowd the pan, as you want everything to cook evenly. As the cauliflower cooks, it's best that you toss them around gently so that they do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Once your cauliflower is golden on both sides, go ahead and set it aside. And don't forget these extra little bits because they also help to flavor up the sauce. And once you're done with the first batch, go ahead and repeat the process with the next. All right, set that aside, and we're moving on to adding in the leeks. Again, this is a 1-pan recipe, guys, so there's no need to switch back and forth. So go ahead and start in with your sliced leeks, followed by your bell pepper. You can use any kind of bell pepper you'd like. And we're also adding in minced garlic. Give it a quick toss and cook it for about 30 seconds. Once you are done, go ahead and add in your sweet and sour sauce. You can use homemade sweet and sour sauce, or you could do it the same way we're doing here and add it in store-bought sweet and sour sauce. And we're also adding in juice from half a lemon just to give it a little bit of zest and a tangy flavor. Once you're done, add in your cauliflower florets. Stir well to combine. Continue to stir and allow it to cook for an extra 3 to 5 minutes. And that's it. Your dish is ready for you to be served for dinner. It is terrific over a bed of white rice. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos often. Cheers!